So it's 4:30 in the morning. I was thinking perhaps I can make it if I leave, at 5 towards the city center, so that I'm like, at 6 in the city center. I have like an hour there, and then, I have an hour to the airport. I have to be at the airport around, I think, like 8:30, perhaps a little bit earlier to get some breakfast. But yeah, then I hear this. It's raining pretty hard, which means definitely no city center sightseeing for me this time. And I will go straight from here to the airport. And yeah, that will be the end of our Berlin trip. So, and then of course flight to Warsaw, and from Warsaw back to Ljubljana to see Liza. Okay, and that's it.